ChatGPT can provide suggestions for changes, point out border conditions, and direct you towards developing code that is more productive. You can increase the resource usage and execution speed of your code by using ChatGPT. By providing natural language queries to the AI model and seeking advice on how to enhance the code, it can be of great use to optimize any kind of code base. You can ask ChatGPT for advice on how to make your code more effective, in addition to looking for flaws in it. You can improve the performance of your code with help of ChatGPT. It can provide suggestions for changes, point out bottlenecks, and direct you towards producing code that is more productive. You can increase the resource usage and execution speed of your code by using ChatGPT. By providing natural language queries to the AI model and seeking advice on how to enhance the code, it can be of great use to optimize any kind of code. So, for instance, you can send ChatGPT a piece of code you want to improve and ask for advice on how to make it more effective. Let us start with something very simple. But before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends hoping to learn ChatGPT. Also, do let us know in the comments if you have any questions, suggestions, or requests for more information, and we will be happy to incorporate it in the next video. Here's an example of a prompt that you could use with ChatGPT. I'm going to ask, given the following Python code, how can I make it more effective? And I am giving it a code that is going to give me square of a number. As you can see, it has given me some suggestions that says use a more meaningful function name. It tells me to add type hints. Then it is telling me to include a doc string to describe the purpose of this function, its arguments, and its return value. And avoid unnecessary variable assignment. Instead of assigning the result of the square function to a separate variable, you can directly print the output of the function call. So it has told me that you can incorporate these improvements and also shown me the code on how it is to be done. And it has told me that with these changes, the code becomes more readable, maintainable, and follows best practices. This is a good approach to understanding how to optimize my code. But this is a very simple example that we have seen so far. There are some instances in any code that might require memory management, because memory management makes a code very effective and faster as well. ChatGPT can make some recommendations on how to improve memory allocation, reduce memory leaks, or use more memory efficient data structures by receiving information about your code's memory usage habits. So let's see another example. By the way, if you want to learn about generative AI in far more depth and detail than what I'm covering here, we have a lot of courses of AI and ML from top universities in India and the world. Link is pinned in the comments. Go check it out. Let us ask ChatGPT, what is your take on making the following code snippet more efficient? I have already copy pasted my code here. So it is telling me the exact same thing that I mentioned before, that we can make it more efficient by avoiding unnecessary memory usage and improving the computational efficiency. It has told me that use a list comprehension. Instead of using a for loop to create large list, you can use list comprehension, which is more efficient and concise. Use a generator expression. And then it has told me to avoid unnecessary list creation. Since the sum function works with any iterable, you can directly iterate over the generator expression or list comprehension. This eliminates the need to store the entire list in memory before performing the computation. It has also given me a version of the optimized code. These are very simple examples of how ChatGPT could help you optimize a Python code. By asking the right questions and providing clear, concise code examples, you can get some very valuable insights and suggestions from this AI model.